1-hour notice, preparation of main engine prior to departure. Engage turning gear and start turning for at least 15 minutes. Rush to the control room for pre-lubrication. Click Pre-Lube button to start pre-lubrication. Pre-lube pumps move oil from the oil sump to the moving parts of an engine before engine startup. Pre-lubing before every start is an inexpensive way to extend the life of engine-driven equipment. Pre-lube minimum minutes is 15, maximum will be 30 mins every ship. Mins will vary.
As long as just you, and then
After the successful pre-lubrication process, stop the turning and disengage the turning gear from the flywheel. This is the turning gear starter panel, controlling the direction of turning, either forward or reverse. This is the safety interlock of the turning gear, which prevents the turning gear from attaching its teeth to the teeth of the flywheel. Turn off the turning gear panel and close the cover of the turning gear once finished disengaging. Next, drain the water of the 2 main air bottles. To avoid combustion, problems and/or delays in the main engine before opening the main air bottles for starting purposes. Next, open the main starting air valve of the main engine and also the starting air distributor valve of the main engine. Open now the air supply valve from main air bottle to the main engine. Observe pressure to increase as it is now sharing pressure to the other main air bottle. Also, make sure that indicator cocks are open for air blowing. Report to TUI once main engine is ready for testing and/or air blowing. What TUI did here was synchronizing the 2 diesel generators to share load as it is needed for starting. Also, make sure that other aux is ready just in case if problems to arise. We have spare generators to use. Other than emergency generator. Once you hear a loud ticking sound, it means that the synchronization is successful. Now, we are ready for testing or main engine and/or air blowing.
Sige na, air blow. Ay, doon na ako. Yan, air blow.
After successful air blowing, now's the time to close all indicator cocks and wait for boarding of the pilot. And now, as part of my routine as an engine cadet, I am in charge for fill outing the engine bell book.